Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best shifter knob is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automatic transmission shifter knobs, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect upgrade for your ride. From sleek designs to enhanced grip and improved feel, we'll cover everything you need to know to transform your driving experience. Number 5. RYANSTAR Samurai Sword Automatic Shift Knob. This shift knob is designed to fit almost all automatic transmission cars with a lock or button. Installation is easy, making it a convenient upgrade for your vehicle. Featuring a classic Japanese braided pattern and a vivid dragon design, this shift knob offers a unique and cool aesthetic. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their car's interior. With a handle length of 150 mm and a weight of about 0.41 kg, this knob provides a smooth shifting experience. The design ensures there's no added stress on the gear shift. Made from alloy, synthetic silk Edo, and imitative ray skin, the materials are durable and comfortable to touch. This ensures longevity and a pleasant feel. Installation is straightforward using the bottom adhesive. For optimal adhesion, it's recommended to heat it with a hair dryer for about a minute before applying. What we like. This shift knob boasts a unique samurai sword design, instantly upgrading your car's interior. Its proper weight and length ensure a smooth and effortless shifting experience. If you are looking to add a cool, unique touch to your car's interior, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The shifter feels and looks great. Installation was easy and took less than 5 minutes. The quality of the product is excellent. Number 4. Rldym Shift Knob Kit for Chevy Sonic and Trax. Are you looking for a perfect replacement for your car's shift knob? This kit is designed specifically for Chevy Sonic and Trax models from 2012 to 2016. It ensures a seamless fit and restores your car's functionality. Before you buy, make sure the part numbers match. This kit includes the OE numbers 425399736, 424232234, and 953933161. Checking these numbers will help you avoid any compatibility issues. Installing this shift knob kit is a breeze. All you need is a small flat blade screwdriver. The direct replacement design makes the process quick and easy. Made from durable ABS material, this shift knob kit is built to last. It offers a longer service life and ensures reliable performance. You can count on it for years to come. Rldym remanufactured auto parts are rigorously tested to ensure they meet the highest standards. This kit is designed to protect your car's body and provide optimal performance. It's a reliable choice for your vehicle. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you have any questions after receiving the kit, please contact us. We'll respond within 24 hours to assist you. What we like. This kit is designed as a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. Made from durable ABS material, it promises a longer service life. If you have a Chevy Sonic or Trax and need a reliable replacement, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Fits perfect like the factory parts did. Easy to install and operated just like the original parts did. Functions like new after installation. The button on the gear selector on my husband's car did not work. This replacement is a perfect fit and works great. Number 3. Carbon Fiber Ball Shift Knob. Tired of the same old shift knob? This carbon fiber shift knob is here to transform your driving experience. It's designed to give your car a fresh, performance-inspired look. This shift knob is made to fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs. It's a direct replacement for your old gear stick, making it easy to customize your interior. Made with real grade A3K twill carbon fiber, this knob is built to last. The clear coating protects it from fading and keeps it looking glossy. The spherical design provides a comfortable, ergonomic grip. This gives you better control and improves your shifting feel, making your drives more enjoyable. Installing this shift knob is a breeze. Just remove your old one, choose the right adapter, and screw the new one on. No special tools are needed. The cool black carbon fiber finish adds a racing aesthetic to any interior. It's a perfect complement to tuner-style interiors and other performance mods. What we like. This shift knob is made from real carbon fiber, giving your car a premium, sporty look. It fits most cars and offers an improved grip for better control. If you like a sleek, performance-inspired aesthetic, you'll love how it feels in your hand. What people say. Fit my vehicle perfect, didn't need the adapters. Looks great and has a nice amount of weight to it. I've been using it about a week now and it hasn't scratched, and the knob is a little bigger than my stock knob so it feels like a better fit. The product installed without any custom work. Out of the box. It feels great throwing from one gear to the next. The finish is excellent and beautiful. Fit perfectly on my Ford Focus ST shifter. Feels great and love the carbon design. Number 2. B&M Pro Gate Shifter for GM 4-speed. Introducing the B&M Pro Gate Shifter, designed for GM 4-speed automatic transmissions. This is an externally gated race shifter, built for performance. It features a heavy-duty 10-gauge 304 stainless steel base and a 303 stainless steel shift pin. This ensures longevity and bulletproof performance. The shifter includes a black B&M logo shift knob and a 1016 steel shift stick. The external gate plate is constructed from durable black 11-gauge 304 stainless steel. The 4-speed gated forward shift pattern has positive stops between each gear. The injection-molded nylon side covers are removable for easy access. It comes with a rear exit cable design, including a 5-foot Super Duty race shifter cable. All necessary hardware is included for an easy install. This shifter is compatible with all GM 4-speed automatic transmissions. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This shifter features a gated shift pattern for precise gear changes. Its rugged construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you are a performance enthusiast looking for a reliable and easy-to-install shifter, this is the one for you. What people say. The shifter feels and looks great. Installation was easy and it fit perfectly. The quality of the product is excellent. Number 1. B&M Pro Gate Shifter for GM 3-speed. Introducing the B&M Pro Gate Shifter. This automatic shifter is designed for GM 3-speed transmissions. It offers improved performance and a sleek design. Featuring a stylish black knob, this shifter enhances the look and feel of your vehicle's interior. It provides a comfortable grip and adds a touch of sophistication. The rear exit cable design ensures easy installation and a clean look. It's engineered for optimal performance and durability, making it a reliable choice. Specifically designed for GM 3-speed transmissions, this shifter is a perfect fit. It's built to meet the highest standards, ensuring a seamless upgrade. Upgrade your driving experience with the B&M Pro Gate Shifter. It's the perfect combination of style, performance, and ease of use. Get yours today. What we like. This shifter features a gated shift pattern for precise gear changes. Its rugged construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you are a performance enthusiast looking for a reliable and easy-to-install shifter, this is the one for you. What people say. A great shifter with good reverse and park lockout while hassle-free. Easy to install and shifts nice and smooth on my 68C10 hot rod. Works well in my Sun Nova. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.